Welcome to excelexperts.com. Today's Excel for Finance tip is on what is present value. Now, if you want to follow on with this tip, you go to excelexperts.com and there's the file path, or you can just go on the search the site box and type present value. You can download a spreadsheet to follow along, and you can also read the article on more information. So, present value. I think this is best explained through an example. So let's show you what I mean by present value. So present value, this is an amount today. This is an interest rate, and this is how many years. So in this example, we've got 100. The interest rate is 10%, and we're investing over 2 years. So in 2 years' time, we will have 121, assuming that the person paying us interest doesn't go bankrupt. How does that work? Well, 100, add 10% to that is 110, add 10% to that, 10% of 110 is 11, so 110 plus 11 is 121. How did I calculate that? All I did was I said, take the original amount and times it by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of the amount of years. If it's 3 years, it goes to 133.1. So the to the power of bit, all that does is it increments the amount by that amount of times. So 1, 110, 2, 121. The to the power of bit, which is this, also compounds the interest. So that's why in the first year it increases by 10, and in the second year it increases by 11. Okay, we can compare that to Excel's FV function. So basically all I've done here is I've replicated Excel's FV function with this formula. So that should help you understand what the FV function does. And then back here, FV means future value. So if I have a value now, the value in the future is this. So that means if I'm standing at the beginning of 2 years' time, I will have 121. And conversely, if I stand in 2 years' time and I want to have a look how much is that worth today, I can use this formula here. So I just link to that future value. I link to that interest rate. Anything in grey is just a formula. Anything in white I'm entering. The amount of years I link to. And then this is the inverse of the other formula. So the present value is just the future value divided by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of the amount of years. So 121 in the future with interest rates at 10 over 2 years is worth 100 today. And let's compare that to Excel's PV function equals PV of all of that. And notice when I change this to 200, the future value increases, and then when I convert it back to the present value with the same formula, it comes up with 200. I can type any number I like, 1, 2, 3. You've been listening to excelexperts.com.